still. Nah, that's good. That is.
They say more money, more chance, hate the problem. Wouldn't have a problem if you walked on the slaughter. How you talking down to me? Cause you was at the bottom. I was watching your career from the bottom. Don't talk a lot, cause I'm a man on a mission. Find the best, they can be competition. Clean the business, watch how it glisten. No we the ghosts, you were just missing. My truck was smaller like the one in your chest. You couldn't run the road, but I'm on the shade, it's your neck. We can argue, but in war we gon' connect. I be shooting at your temple like we was some mass text. Big chain, go rogue, no I'm down 10 toes. Got me, you're the same zoo, no this ain't open door. I start lucky, the best come back with my dough. But see you see the light, gon' be with my life. I just pull up to the east side, but it keep me west. Just starting something, but learn still you was testing. Could've got a degree, teach you a lesson. You ain't gon' make it in life with no aggression.
But I did her, hello with that shot, but get your man her. Now a nigga hate me, cause he know that he a fan her. I got it on my own, yeah, I ain't taking handouts.
No way, I told them.
6 rounds,
Yeah,
she looked over.
Did you?
Running in?
Yeah,
Oh,
I missed once.
guys, you think go.
This kid's teleporting.
Put a spray in where they at. Move too fast to hit your noggin. In the same sudden motion. You heard me, your head was bobbing. Way I pulled the trigger. Think my gun come at me like it's problem. I pulled up some maybe that's why I'm running. To the door, hit the corner store. Dollar Arizona.
Bad boy.
But now I'm making hits and music them galore. Everyone that hate this side is like a cold war.
This is your first 5 minutes on my controller.
Now daddy penitentiary. Now pull up on me lights out. Hating how you like now. Only for a team.
What do I need to do? What's it called? Mantle.
Wait, what? I'm gonna claim my skin right now. Guys, I'm about to claim this skin.